And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Got a small little project here, and my cousin asked me to fix something for him. He was gonna pay me, but I'm like, you know what? I think I'm money for it. It's one doing stuff. But he has this little chair here, little stool, the husky. It has a problem. The bottom piece broke through, and I don't know if you can see it on here, but you should be able to see the welds cracked. So I'm gonna grind this off, tack weld it, or should I say weld it back together on both sides. Hopefully the piston won't overheat and blow up in my face. And then I'll show you that after I'm done, because I'm not going to make a welding video right now. It's just I want to get this done and out of here. And then after, since this has a big hole in it, I'm going to cut a new piece of better piece of plywood, because this one looks really cheap. And I'm going to make them a new top. So hopefully nobody will tell them that I'm doing that. But I'm going to make them a new top this week. I'll tell them it took me forever to weld it. And I have a bunch of deer hide, so I'm going to cut out a circle for a deer hide, cut a strip for all the way around, sew it down the side, cut another little inner circle, put the foam back in, and ta-da! Should be a nice deer hide looking seat. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to get to, I'll probably take some pictures and show some welding, or I'll move the camera over there. Anyway, hope you liked the video.